Okay, dear students, welcome back to the next session in which we'll concentrate on the speed of an object with a specific direction into consideration. Last class, while defining the speed of an object, we neglected what the direction of a motion of a body. But in this class, let me consider the speed of a moving body along with its direction of what? Motion. Write down the next title here. Speed. Speed with direction. Speed with direction. So if you consider direction of a motion of a body along with the speed, then this is generally we'll call it as a velocity. What is velocity here? Velocity is a speed of a body along one particular direction. Along with how fast the body is moving, if you consider in what direction the body is moving, means speed of a body plus direction of motion of a body together will give us the one more physical quantity, we will call it as a velocity. Then how simply we can define velocity here? Tell me, what is velocity? Velocity is nothing but speed of a body. Speed of a body. Speed of a body with specific direction. With specific direction. If you consider speed of the body along with its direction of motion, the speed along with the direction of the motion, generally we will call it as a velocity of a body. Tell me, what is velocity? Velocity is a speed of a body along one particular direction. That we will call it as a velocity. So what is the major difference between speed and velocity, you tell me? What is the major difference between speed and velocity here? Speed tells us how fast the body is moving. The speed will give us the information about how fast the body is moving. But velocity will explain how fast and in what direction the body is moving. Concentrate on this sentence. If you consider only speed into consideration, suppose if you consider speed of a moving body, what information will get? The speed will explain us only what? How fast the body is moving. Then what is velocity? The velocity is not only explaining how fast the body is moving, it is also going to explain in what direction the body is going to move. Therefore, the speed is only explaining how fast the body is moving. The velocity is going to explain how fast and in what direction the body is going to move. And already you know the basic definition of what is speed. What is speed? Distance traveled by the body. Distance traveled by the body per unit time is called speed. Then how you are going to define velocity? Velocity is defined as it is displacement of a body per unit time. What it is? Displacement of a body per unit time. We will call it as a velocity of a body. Write down the definition here. Velocity is defined as displacement per unit time. Displacement per unit time of any moving body, we'll call it as a velocity. Therefore, how we can write velocity then? The velocity is given by what it is. The velocity is given by, it is a displacement. Displacement of a body divided by what? Time taken. What is the general formula to calculate the velocity of a moving body? The velocity of a moving body is calculated by using the formula displacement of a body divided by time taken, or else velocity is defined as displacement per unit time. Displacement per unit time. So, while explaining the speed of a body, we are not considering direction of motion of a body into an account. While explaining the speed of the body, we are not at all bothered about in which direction the body is moving. But when you are explaining the velocity, we are considering the direction of motion of a body into consideration. That's what the velocity is, a vector physical quantity. Why the velocity is a vector physical quantity? You tell me. When you are explaining velocity, you are going to consider the direction of motion of a body into an account. We are considering the direction of a motion of a body in explaining velocity. That's what the velocity is, a which physical quantity? Velocity is a vector. Velocity is a vector. Velocity is vector. Okay. What about speed? Speed is a scalar physical quantity. Why the speed is scalar physical quantity? Tell me. Because when you are explaining the speed of a body, we are bothered about only the how fast the body is moving, and we are not at all taking in which direction the body is going to move. The direction of motion of a body is completely ignored in explanation of what? The speed of the body. That's what the speed is a scalar and velocity is a vector. Suppose if velocity of a body is taken positive along one particular direction, say for example from point A to point B, if velocity of a body is said to be 4 meters per second, point A to point B, the velocity of a body is 4 meters per second, means along one particular direction. If you take velocity of a body as positive, exactly in opposite direction, the velocity should be taken as negative. If I ask what is the velocity of a body from B to A, exactly in opposite direction, its velocity is taken as what? Negative. Along one particular direction, if you take it as positive, in the opposite direction, if the body has uniform motion, in the opposite direction, its velocity is taken as what? Negative. Velocity is taken as negative. So, okay, let me come to one point here. When the velocity of a body is said to be uniform, and when the velocity of a body is said to be non-uniform. Tell me, when the body is said to be have the uniform velocity? The body is said to be have the uniform velocity provided it should move with constant speed along one particular direction. You should move with uniform speed or constant speed with one particular direction without changing the direction of a motion of a body. Suppose the body is moving with a constant speed, then I can say that the body is moving with a uniform velocity. Say for example, in this case, from point A to point B. What is the speed of a body? The speed of a body is given by 4 meters per second. Then what I can say? From A to B, the body is moving with a what? Constant speed, that is 4 meters per second, and from A to B, the direction of a motion of a body is not changing. The direction of a motion of a body is not changed. Now I can say that the body has which type of velocity here? Uniform velocity. Then the body is said to have the non-uniform velocity. Possibilities are there. Even though the speed of a body remains constant, body is moving with a constant speed. But unfortunately, if direction of motion of a body is continuously changed, speed of a body remains constant, but the direction of a motion of a body continuously changed, then we are using the term the body is moving with a non-uniform velocity. Got my point? Velocity is said to be uniform provided it should move with the same speed along same direction. If it is moving with the same speed in a different direction, or else if it is moving with a what? Different speed in a different direction, or it is moving with a what? Different speed along same direction. These all are examples for what? Non-uniform velocities. When velocity of a body is not uniform, then we are taking average velocity of a body. When you are taking average velocity of a body, the average velocity of a body is taken when the body has non-uniform velocity. Then how you are calculating average velocity here? So average velocity, generally I will call it as a V bar. The average velocity of any body is calculated by using the formula initial velocity of a body plus final velocity of a body divided by 2. This is the formula used to calculate the average velocity of a body. When you are taking average velocity of a body, when the velocity of a body is not constant, I am taking average velocity. The average velocity of a body is calculated by using the formula V bar is equal to U plus V divided by 2, where U is called initial velocity of a body and V is called final velocity of the body. Let me come to the SI unit of velocity. What is the SI unit of velocity? Tell me. Displacement is measured in terms of what? Meter. And time is measured in terms of what? Seconds. Displacement is measured in meter and time is measured in second. Then what I can write? Meter per second. What is meter per second? SI unit of what? The velocity. Okay, this is the discussion what I can consider in this class. Just to revise the definition of what velocity. What is velocity? Velocity is defined as displacement per unit time. It is a vector because we are taking direction of moving body while explaining velocity. Therefore, it is a vector. Its SI unit is what? Meter per second. The SI unit of velocity is meter per second. The velocity of a body is non-uniform. Then the average velocity is calculated. The average velocity is given by initial velocity of a body plus final velocity of a body divided by 2. So in the next class I will come with more information regarding the what concept.